Hi friends, today we will discuss on an important topic, its contribution of spices to boost immunity power. We will discuss how to boost immunity because immunity is very much important nowadays to fight with COVID-19 condition. One can boost immunity by various means, taking various types of foods, so vegetables, fruits, non-veg foods and spices. So we will now discuss on spices specifically. Food for thought, add spice to it. But no, when to add spice? Variety is the spice of life. Learn from variety of sources. Spices are indispensable to cook tasty food and have good health. These also offer lot of nutritional values, as hardly one takes veggies and non-veg items in raw state. It is required to cook well so that it becomes tasty and be attractive through beauty and smell to eat well. Spices play important role in good recipes. It not only makes food tasty, but some spices act like medicines and boost our immunity system. That we will discuss now. Wash the vegetables and spices once you bring from market and then again before cutting. But it is desirable not to wash it again and again after cutting the same to make a recipe. So we will now discuss 10 important spices which you normally use. First is onion. Onion, there are many benefits of onions and what we use daily. Rich with antioxidants, various nutrients, good for heart, bones, controls blood sugar, good for digestion, antibacterial, protects from cancer, inhibit inflammation. Selenium in onion helps to initiate immune response. So there are a lot of benefits of onion. Turmeric, we normally state it as haldi. It's an Ayurvedic medicine. Rich with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, possesses lot of medicinal properties. Good for brain, heart, protect from cancer, treat Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, controls depression, anti-aging, protects from sore throat, good for skin, beauty treatments. Ginger is good to control cold and cough, reduces blood pressure, possesses a lot of medicinal properties. Nutritious, improves cholesterol level, good for heart, contains antioxidants, good for Alzheimer's disease and dementia, improves longevity, detoxify heavy metals in the body, good for bone, commonly added to diet. I normally take it daily while preparing my tea in the morning. And ginger is always added to various vegetables to make food tasty. Garlic, antiseptic, antifungal, antibacterial, antibiotic, destroys viruses in the body, boosting the immune system, fight infection, prevents cancer, good for sore throat, intestinal infection, and it has lot of medicinal properties also. So use garlic, but keep it limited. Too much of everything is bad. Chili may be green, may be red, may be mixed. Normally we take green chilies. It gives good taste to food, good for digestion, skin, hair, heart, bone and teeth, lifts mood, fights cancer. The hotter, maybe the better. Cinnamon. We normally tell it as darchini. Rich with medicinal properties, good for heart, controls blood pressure, rich with antioxidants, increase insulin sensitivity, anti-diabetic, loaded with anti-inflammatory properties, controls Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's diseases, prevents cancer, fights bacteria and fungus. Avoid taking too much for controlling side effects. May take little bit of cinnamon while taking tea. It gives good taste. Then cardamom, elachi. We use this cardamom many times for making food, for making drinks. So it boosts virus fighting cells. One of the most important boosting herbs and spices. Fragrant spice makes food tasty. Cardamom has a specific fragrance. It helps digestion, detoxification of blood, loaded with useful nutrient like vitamin C. So it is one of the very important fragrant spice. Is fragrant spice. One of the most important immunity boosting herb. Use it with care. Cumin powder. We usually use it for making various recipes. Good for cold and cough, asthma, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, boost immunity to fight infection. Seeds with constipation, good for pregnant women, deal with insomnia, good to have glowing skin, shiny hair and longevity. Cloves. Boost immunity, may eat 2 cloves with warm water before sleeping. Nutritious, tasty, rich in antioxidant, antibacterial, prevent acne, controls diarrhea, relief from pain, helps to get rid of bronchitis. We normally say when you are feeling toothache, keep 1 or 2 cloves on your mouth, in your mouth. So, black pepper. Last but not the least, it is very important. We tell it as gol mirchi, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, good for heart, lower the cholesterol level, good for brain, controls blood sugar, possesses cancer fighting properties, promotes gut health and relieves from pain. Words are like spices. Too many is worse than too few. So learn continuously and use these spices to not only to make your food tasty, but to add to your immunity power, boost your immunity power. Live a good life. Thank you.